damn good kite. You don't need to watch it, you don't need to do anything, you just ride. Good kite.
Hi, I'm Jason Logston from venture-logs.com, and I want to thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to finish it with a little wrap-up about my impressions on this 8-meter kite. What you watched was part of my second session. I have about a total 2.5 hours flying, and keep in mind it takes about 5 hours for the kite to fully seat in to perform the way it's supposed to. Build quality wise, I was able to take it right out of the bag and hook up the lines and just go. I didn't check the bridle, I didn't need to really do anything. It was perfect, no problems whatsoever. I did notice a little different than my Soul 15. The Z lines are a little bit beefier lines on this 8. They're slightly different color than the rest of the bridle line, so that's kind of a nice detail. Launching was super quick. I would say maybe 15 seconds and it was inflated and good to go. First thing you'll probably notice when you fly it is the turning speed. This kite turns really fast. With that fast turning speed, that means that you can sign this kite and really build the apparent wind, and that means a better low end than you would expect from an 8-meter. Also, the fast turning speed means kite loops. I was able to do some powered kite loops that I've never been able to do on a foil kite before. This was on standard 21-meter lines, and even on the low end, I would say today was probably 14 to 16 knots. That kite was able to loop all the way around and catch me on those landings. I'm really excited. The kite drifts extremely well. I was able to land into the kite, fly downwind into the kite. It kept its shape, I would say, better than my 15-meter. I haven't been able to hydrofoil with the kite yet. Unfortunately, my Zen split board kind of fell apart on me, so it's going to be a couple weeks before I'm able to do so, but I think this is going to be great. With the way that you can just spin it on a dime, fly into the kite, it's going to be a good hydrofoil kite. Speaking with being able to spin and change direction, I noticed it's a lot like the Sonic, where if you really crank it or you grab one of the stalker balls on the lines, that it will spiral without any power. I like doing that. It's fun. You can change direction really easy. The kite recovers extremely well when you do that. It's kind of nice, but it is a little bit easier to choke this kite out. If you, again, I was on the lower end, but if you're not a little careful with the bar where it's at, you can stall the kite a little bit easier. I kind of like that. It gives me a little bit more control over the kite, and I personally think that the reason why I was doing that a little bit more than I'm used to was because I was at the lower end. If I just gave a little bit of depower, it would have gone away. Relaunch was easy. In the video you saw 2 different times I had a relaunch. One time I just let go of the kite and just wanted to see what it would do. Where I'm at, the surface wind is a lot lower because of wind shadows, but it was able to relaunch really easy. I don't see any problems with that. Relaunching it backwards, spinning it one line, no problems. It's a super easy kite. So yep, that was my impressions. I appreciate you checking out my video. I'm excited when I get this kite out in higher winds. My 15 I've been able to take out in about 25 knots, and it's a stable kite. I can't imagine what the upper limit on this 8's going to be, but I hope to find out sometime. Appreciate any comments and suggestions below, and give me a thumbs up would be great. I'm really looking forward to my next session on this kite. The hardest part's going to be is which one I'm going to use, my 8 or my 15. They're both great kites. So I'll see you out on the water. Thanks.